to get back after it. It's night number 3 of the Clash on the Coast right here at the Southern Raceway in Milton, Florida. 2 nights are in the books, and after that we see Bone Larson leading on top of the IMCA modified point standings, and it is Mr. Perfect right now, Gage Neal, on top of the IMCA stock car points, but it's only 4 points over a tie between John Oliver and Dallin Murdy in second. The action's gonna heat up, the racetrack's a little bigger, it's gonna be a fantabulous night. Thanks for joining us here in the stands and on IMCA TV, and let's go from Southern Raceway.